Hello, I'm here to review the assignment, review question vocab, and critical thinking. This is an assignment that comes on the tail end of the course resource, the ebook for this unit. So it used to be combined, but I separated since that word helpful feature was somewhat rigorous on you guys. I'm going to review it now. So I'm going into the module in module 4. Again, this is an area on the web resources where you're going to be able to find this this link to open up and to review it. You're going to be having to create a Word document from blank. I'm going to be telling you to save it as module 4, helpful word features. All right, with that said, I'm going to right click and go in. I'm already have the tab open. Again, module 4, and it is resting right below the word helpful features. So if I right click and open new tab, that'll basically launch that assignment open. So again, I'm going to start with the rubric of the assignment, but again, there's virtual, there's a class directions in classroom and virtual. So right click and open the rubric real quick, and you can define that the questions I'm weighting as 30 points, vocab 35 points, and critical thinking 35 points. All right, so cut and dry with regards to that process. So flop back over to the assignment. On the ebook, and the ebook is from page 50 to 75, the questions, the first half of this are questions, and there are 15 questions. There are 5 fill in the blank, 5 matching, and 5 true and false. And those 15 questions can be found on page 74. All right. So I've given you a link here. It's like, okay, how should I set up this Word document? So if I just quickly open up that and take a quick peek, this may not have your name on it, but maybe put your name at the top. Again, you need to have your footer at the bottom. But there you can see the fill in the blank, matching, true and false. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 for a total of 15. Then there's vocabulary words, and then there's an area on this Word document. So I do kind of expect maybe this to go to a second page, quite all right. So I flop back and let you know that the questions the 15 questions I'm now going to review, they're going to be on the ebook on page 74. So if you right here go to and open up, if you're not logged into Edmodo, you will need to. In fact, I don't think I am. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly open me up to Edmodo, and so I can get myself logged in as well. I'm going to close that tab out. So if you right click on the ebook and open in new, that should open up the ebook word helpful feature, which you were here last assignment. So if I scroll all the way down to the back side of this, past the summary, you see the review questions 1 through 5, matching 1 through 5, and then the true or false. So you don't have to write out the sentence. Just give me by the number, the letter, and by the number, the short answer of these questions. Okay. So if I go back, once you get done with the questions, all right, for this part right here, once you get done with the questions, move on to the vocab. Just give me the definition of those, and then trying to answer these critical thinking questions on this doc. It all pertains to, if I was a teacher, which I am, but giving you guys some sort of overview, like I'm asking you, the students, to brainstorm, okay, symbols that you may use in their documents now or in the future. Okay, so you've got experience of symbols a little bit. So just do your best to answer these 3 questions. And so this basically will then have you guys with a file called Model 4 Word Helpful Feature that should be saved in that Model 4 folder on your documents, and you're going back to the Module 4 and then uploading this single file.